A large garbage truck went over the embankment and flipped on Ortega Highway at La Pata Avenue in San Juan Capistrano this morning. No injuries were reported, but it may take some time to clear up the accident, and a heavy-duty tow truck has been requested. Traffic on Ortega at La Pata will be closed until the cleanup has been completed. Meanwhile, according to the CHP, on the 241 at Santiago Canyon Road, the driver of a red BMW lost control and rolled over as he attempted to change lanes in traffic. No injuries were reported in that crash as well.